Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the topic. Today, we're diving into the world of fractional shares, specifically as offered by Webull. You can find more information at webull.com/fractional-shares, link in the description. Fractional shares allow you to invest in companies even if you don't have the capital to purchase a whole share. This opens up a world of possibilities for investors, particularly those just starting out or working with a limited budget. Instead of needing hundreds or even thousands of dollars to own a piece of a particular company, you can buy a fraction of a share, often for as little as a few dollars. This can be a game changer for building a diversified portfolio. Imagine being able to invest in a range of different companies across various sectors, even with a smaller initial investment. Fractional shares empower you to do just that. It's a powerful tool for diversifying your holdings and managing risk. Webull's platform makes it easy to buy and sell fractional shares. Their user-friendly interface simplifies the process, making it accessible to investors of all experience levels. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just beginning your investment journey, you can navigate the fractional share market with ease on Webull. They've designed the system to be intuitive and straightforward. Now, it's important to understand the mechanics of fractional shares. When you buy a fractional share, you're essentially purchasing a portion of a whole share. This means your returns will be proportional to the fraction you own. If the share price goes up, your investment grows accordingly, and vice versa. This is a crucial aspect to consider when incorporating fractional shares into your investment strategy. Using Webull for fractional share trading offers a cost-effective way to enter the market and gain exposure to a broader range of investments. The ability to invest smaller amounts of money can significantly lower the barrier to entry, allowing more people to participate in the stock market. For those looking to diversify their portfolios or explore new investment opportunities, fractional shares on Webull provide a valuable tool. Be sure to check out their website at webull.com/fractional-shares for more details, link in the description.